Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Stick Shift Hot Wheels. Today I'm reviewing the Matchbox 9-pack exclusive Lamley's Leak Tire Service GMC tow truck. And this is a very special car for people in the know. I've been following the Lamley Group diecast car blog for a couple of years now, and he consistently reviews cars before they come out because he has connections with Mattel, hence the name Lamley Leaks, because he's leaking new Hot Wheels cars on his channel. This is my first Matchbox review, and this car is called the GMC Wrecker. It's based on a 1980s GMC Sierra. And the first thing that comes to mind when you see this car is it has matte blue paint with blue tinted windows, and is quite a striking combination when you see it next to a regular gloss finish diecast car. It really stands out. Matchbox really knocked it out of the park with the tampos on the side of this Silverado. The main focus is the tire blowing air into the Lamley Leaks Tire Service logo, and it features John Lambert, the Lamley Group's founder. And the tampos are styled after the 50s or 60s look, very graphic, very iconic, and they look awesome. Very, very well done. The only nit I have to pick is that the white dish wheels really don't fit this vehicle at all. 5-spoke wheels would look great. The headlights and taillights desperately need to be detailed on this vehicle. The huge plastic red front bumper looks strange. Unfortunately, the tow truck doesn't have a real working arm, but you can still lift a car on it easily and roll it around. The Silverado is not the first exclusive Lamley Group styled car. This F-150 came out in 2016. This GMC Sierra tow truck fits a tire service car much better than the F-150. This is a well executed car and looks awesome in person. Again, this matte blue paint really makes these tampos pop right off the side of the vehicle. It's quite striking and looks awesome, and I'd say it's a nice addition to anyone that's a fan of the Lamley Group blog. Thank you for watching my review of the Matchbox Lamley Group exclusive Lamley's Leaks GMC Wrecker. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Stick Shift Hot Wheels, for more Hot Wheels and Matchbox videos. Have a great day.